Alright, well, I got the heater core out. Unfortunately, my trouble light busted. And even though that looks dry, I'm still going to replace it anyway. I went ahead and spurged for some new O-rings, and it appear to be a little bit thicker than the original, so I went ahead and put some petroleum jelly on there. I was able to get it out without taking the steering column out. See, the steering column's still in there. It's all still bolted up. But this shaft here, was the main issue. I think it was in the way. Just had to take and move that up. Took that off, slid that bolt out, the shaft came right out, lifted it right up out of the way. Had to take this here boot off. See, I had to put it over there. It's a lot of fun doing this at night. But, you know, I work nights, so even though I'm off work today, like just nail this thing right out here, pulled it right up out of there. Come over here, and I had to move that up out of the way. Yeah. And the brakes sensor, and boy, that clip was a bear getting that off of there. But somehow I got it off of there finally with a pair of pliers.